Seriously, I would have got up there. I could go up there, but I won't. Not today. Guys, I'm really seriously thinking about this. This is a good business here. Is the rain going to stop us from working today? Rain, rain, rain. Can you imagine the traffic? Look at the clouds. Good morning, YouTube. We are back on the road again. I am Kinza Babe, and this is Super Shadi. He's concentrating on the road. Say hi.
Hello, guys.
He's concentrated on the road, guys. We don't want to distract him. So anyway, we are heading back to our site today, and today might be a little shorter day. The carpenter is finished up their work for the day, and then steel bender is coming in. So let's go see what is happening. If this is your first time here, I am Kinta Babe, Super Shadi. I repatriate to Ghana, Africa. That's where I'm at, Ghana, Africa, in Central Region. And Super Shadi is from Ghana, Central Region, where we at right now. So we are on the way to my property where I started some projects. So if you haven't watched my previous videos, go back and watch and see where I started from, and then you would know what I'm doing here. So anyway, I repatriate here from Florida. I am African, Caribbean, American. For those of you who know me, you guys been watching me, I know I repeat this. I have new subscribers every day, so bear with me when I repeat the same things, okay? People are watching my videos for the first time. So guys, subscribe if it's your first time and watch my journey here in Ghana, Africa. So let me tell you, today we just going to the site and see, you know, the steel benders are going to start. I'm not going to tell you much, just wait and see, okay? Stay tuned if it's your first time here. See what where the progress on my project there. I'm building 2 stores, a small like a security post, help quarters downstairs, and 2 apartments upstairs with a terrace. So watch and see what I'm doing here. Don't go anywhere. I am on the road to 5K subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. That's the way you could help support, just by watching my videos all the way to the end. So guys, see you in a little bit later, okay? Guys, I'm out here in the sun. They don't look as healthy as some of the ones on the corner either, so that's the way they do things. I'm pulling up. Like I was saying, if you didn't hear me in the last clip, they are putting rubber for the cement. But the maize, you know, as I drive along, you see their maize, they let the weeds grow within the maize. I know it's not the right way. I wanted my maize in a row, but they do things differently. So this is what I have to deal with until I get on my property so I could do what I want to do. Guys, we just reached to the property. Man, and it's raining. The rain is coming. Yes. Oh, he's up on the roof, man. Look at that. He's up on the top. But the rain is coming. He's up. So he's gonna give you one angle and I'm giving you an angle down here. These guys are working, man. They're putting down the rubber, the plastic, polythene plastic. So, but it's looking like it's going to rain. But after that plastic goes on, we have shelter inside. That's the good thing. Man, things are coming along. Those boys up there, those are the farmers. And some of the maize doesn't look green. And that's just how my maize are coming. I'm telling them it needs to weed. They're the ones that are taking care of my maize down there. But I'm letting them do it. Next time when I plant, I am going to do it the way I know how to. So, see, even the pineapples, they don't weed right. They don't weed in between. So these pineapples over there look healthy, but they are sweet. Their pineapples are so sweet. So this is the way they do it. So I said maybe they are used to this. So now he's spraying. I don't know what he's spraying. If he's spraying weeds or if he's spraying for bugs. But it would get on the maize, right? I don't know. Well, anyway, next time.
So good morning, guys. It's another day. We are in the site. We are now putting the concrete rubber on top. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks and how far we are now. So you guys should stay tuned and watch. Wow. So guys, I'm going to climb and go top. How am I going to climb this? Guys, I have to go with skills. No, Kansas beef can't climb this. Nice. Can you meet me, Abba? Okay. Happy good morning. Happy morning. I come up out. This is better than your number cover no. Okay. Are you see your neighbor? Guys, it's drizzling. Whew. Guys, it's not easy to climb up like this. Kansas beef can't. Alet! Kenza! I don't think she can. Everything is on point, guys. I think this place is going to be the place. As you can see, to go na majana be place too. Oh, okay. So this place is going to be the pillars, those spaces to support this beam. Like it's not easy. Oh. I'm scared. To be on top like this.
The other side by the porch. This is the little porch here. And when you cast the cement, when you cast the concrete, and the building come out to this ledge. Can you guys see now? To the edge. Be careful.
You want to come?
No, I'm not coming up there.
Oh, come.
No. Climb up this and climb up that ladder. No. I used to climb ladders, honestly, guys. So they built the room all the way over the toilet. So what I was trying to say that they could go up, but we're not sure if they could do that, you know. Just I don't want to compromise the structure, you know. So that's why I'm just leaving it at this level and not going up another level. That's the toilet, guys. The toilet, that's what I'm talking about. They extended out to cover the toilet. Looking good. I'm telling him Super Shadi is on the top there. I'm telling him to be careful. He's to the edge. Be careful. No, I'm not coming up there.
Oh, come.
No. Me? Climb up this and climb up that ladder? No. I used to climb ladders. Honestly, guys, I was a lady that got on my roof putting up Christmas lights, getting on ladders, putting in fans. Not anymore. I'm not doing it anymore. I refuse to do it. I would have got up there. I could go up there, but I won't. Not today. When they put a little more grip, I would climb up, but not now. Guys, they have to cut some more boards. Those boards there, they didn't cut enough. But my thing is, they do everything by hand, and then if they need something cut, they have to take it to the sawmill or somebody that has power. Understand that we're in Africa and you can't depend on power. So, what? Simple to walk up and down there? Not me. I'm not, you know, with the weight I am now and stuff, I can't do that. When I was, they're working the I can't talk. Steel benders. Are they working up there? Okay. Oh, I see people up there. So the steel benders are here. We're going, walk with the camera. So anyway, like I was saying, I understand. Let's go. We're going up to the poultry farm. Stay tight. I'm gonna come back with that statement I had to make. So, like I was saying, I understand they don't have a lot of power tools here and they do everything by hand, the artisans, but geez. You know, someone could have a little electrical saw, like a battery-powered saw or something. I know hand saw, those ones that you just, it would be a lot quicker and easier than going to the sawmill. But I'm thinking this is another opportunity here. You know, they have the tools here, but a lot of time the artisans can't afford to buy these things, so they rent. But a power saw, those hand saw, not even a table saw, you know those circular saws? I had all these tools at home in my house because I'm a tool person. I could pick up a saw and cut wood, like I said. I'm trying to sit back and relax more and not do these type of stuff. So, my point is, that's a good business opportunity here to rent. I think that might be something that I might look into because having the right tools and being more efficient and faster. Hello, sir. So that's all I wanted to say. Another business opportunity, you know, because, man, just having a power saw would be so beneficial. Now I have to get somebody to come and take the wood because they didn't have enough cut wood. So we have to go and take some wood to get cut to the sawmill. So now I have to pay for transportation and to pay for the wood to be cut. See you in a little bit. So we're walking up to the poultry farm from my property. There's my property, guys, where I'm building. I always like the view from here. And there's the water source if you watch my other video. And there's the poultry farm. So we're walking up this little hill. This reminds me, I'm in the islands, and we're walking up the hill from the beach. And you walk through these little shortcuts and the dirt road. It reminds me a lot of home. The islands, the Virgin Islands, where I'm from. Can you guys hear the chickens? Someone said maybe I might hear chickens all the time from my property. When I'm down there, I don't hear them much. But there's my property, guys. And there's the chickens. Poultry farming, and then they're farming something else here.
So guys, yeah, the poultry farm right now. The steel vendors are working hard. Well, good morning. I do. How is it? That's a good morning. I do my miska. Sakakram. Huh? Sakakram ya uzi. Ha, miska kama kaklan shamu. Boss, good morning. Sakakram.
We're just trying to get under this thing here. Oh gosh, that's their gate. They're working over here. I'm sheltering from the rain. These guys are bending steel. Let me see if I get a clearer picture. My camera is dirty. And the young man is helping. Guys, I'm really seriously thinking about this. This is a good business here. Look at that big one they're putting up down there. Look at those guys Guys, look at my property from up here. Look at this view. Oh, it's awesome. Those steel benders are bending over here. They're working, but look at those guys under the roof from this view. Guys, I'm still up by the poultry farm. Look at them. They look like they planted seedlings here. You know, the farmer was just here. He has all kind of things planted around this area. He was just here. Look like he has seedlings. You see, covered with some leaves, palm fronds, whatever you want to call it. See, he dig out a whole area for a little nursery. That's what I want. I want to dig out an area and plant my seeds in rows. But Super Shady knows to just dig holes and put things in. So, but when I get to my property, this is what I will be doing. And there's my property over there in between the planting trees, guys. They are still working there. We left some food there. I hope the dogs don't come around. There's just another view. And they're making another poultry farm over there. Oh, I wish I could do one here too, but I'll see. They're getting feed, guys. He's feeding the chickens. Look at how they're following him. This is what happens when you feed them. Eating. If you don't feed them properly, this is turkey berry. Yeah, this looks like a turkey berry tree here. They just grow naturally. I wonder what they were building here. If it's another round chicken coop or octagon chicken coop. I don't know what shape is this, but they were building something here and they stopped. I'm heading back down the hill. It was a nice visit. They're still talking and bending steel. I'm heading back before the dogs or the animals eat our food. So here's the view, guys, from up here. It's a nice view from on top here. I think the guy was saying something about land here, but I don't know. The water right there, I don't know. But it's a nice view. Guys, I come to the conclusion. Those are weeds. Those are not watchy. Those are not watchy plants. They are in the same family of watchy. They are sorghum, but they are Johnson weed or something. Johnson sorghum or something like that. It's not the same sorghum. But look at that. My planting is coming along. Yeah, those are weeds. That's not the correct sorghums. I came to check here on my... They're still coming. My okra is still coming. I just thought I'll come down here and check. They are still there. Guys, these are okra. So I believe they'll pop up soon. Those maize in this, they just didn't listen to me. The ones I planted, see that? In rows, these are the ones I planted. Look at this grass. I know this grass is the worst grass. The only ones that are doing well is in the perimeter. Look, this one out here. Those up there. Why? I planted these. Super Shady planted these all over the place. I don't like that. But they said that's how they do it. And this grass is crab grass. I know this grass from the States. They are killing all the maize. But when in Rome, do what the Romans do, right? I don't even see the maize anymore. The grass is overtaken. I see these. I see a few of these up here that he planted are coming. Where are the ones here? I planted those in a row. Planted 2 rows yellow, 2 rows white. But the they said not to. I have some manure that I'm drying out. They said not to fertilize these things. I'm going to put some cow manure. See, the maize is okay. It's just another update. I know I gave you guys an update the other day, but I think the maize seem to be getting lost in the weeds. That's my opinion, and I know that's a lot of your opinion, but I did what they told me. I was against it, but next time I'm going to listen to me, because plant is plant. It don't matter what country you're in. I mean, it matters what, you know, climate and stuff, but I know better. I know the weeds suck all the nutrients from the plant. I've taken a horticulture class for months. I know. I've had a course in horticulture. I know. If you don't weed, the weed will suck the nutrients. That's how they survive. That's how we survive. Well, anyway, these look like, what happened to the leaves on this one? Like leaves were coming. Something ate it. This one too. And this one. Something looked like it's eating my yeah, what happened to the leaves here? Is a goat or cow or something down here? Something is eating. I gotta ask Super Shadi if people are letting the animals in here. Why are they taking so long? See, this one is missing leaves. What else? This one is missing leaves. That one is missing leaves. And where's the maize? The rain going to stop us from working today. Rain, rain, rain. Can you imagine the traffic? Look at the clouds. We're going to be at the junction trying to get some rubber from this little place. But the price of what they are charging here is ridiculous. So they are short rubber. Short rubber. They need a couple more yards, and they said they could sell it by the yards, but it's ridiculous for one roll. It's 900 cedis. So see you in a little bit. How much he charge? How much yards he said?
What?
How much yards?
Yeah, 1 yard is 850 pesos.
Okay, and
1 yard is 850 pesos. So we buying 6 yards.
okay, okay. Hold on. Guys, we came back with the rubber for the workers. We were short rubber. You know, we did a lot. See, bottom, top. It's raining and the sun is still shining, man. See? So we just came to give the rubber. They're still working in the rain. They want to finish today. We want to finish today, so this is what we're doing. Okay. Guys, look at the cows roaming back there. I don't think they're the culprits for my cassavas down there. I'm going to check to see if I see some droppings for the goats. That's where the extra rubber went. They were shot on the stairs with the rubber. And Super Shadi is taking advantage of the rain. He's out here trying to wash the car off a little to go back through the mud. That's what he's doing. Super Shadi is washing the car off, taking advantage of the rain. But we're going to go right back through the mud. At least the dust would be off for a little bit. Just the tires would be muddy on the side. Look at the mud and the rain and the clouds. Thank you guys for watching. We are going home in this muddy mess after a long day. I am Kenza Babe and this is Super Shadi. We are ending the video here. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Follow along. Sorry, I'm trying to talk and it's bumping. Follow along our journey. My journey here in Ghana, Africa. I traveled from Florida. If you didn't hear it in the beginning, you're hearing it again. Thank you guys. So see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye.